Hi everyone, Steve Vignesh here. So this is day 11 of me sharing my learnings and explaining things in English. So as I'm preparing for PL 300 exam, we have completed a first chapter, that is prepare data for analysis. So there are remaining 3 chapters is there, and in that model the data with Power BI and build Power BI visuals and reports and manage workspace and data set in Power BI. So for now, uh, the order is we have to see model the data with Power BI, but uh, some for some reason I am focusing on managing workspace and data set in Power BI. So there is not a big reason, and I have a trial version of Power BI service. So with that, I'm going to start Power BI service now. So we are taking the fourth model. So in that, uh, the first model is create and manage workspace in Power BI service. So for this video, I am skipping the introduction. You can go to the Microsoft website and feel free to read the introduction. And today's topic is distribute a report or dashboard and monitor usage and performance. Okay, let's move ahead to Notion. Distribute a report and dashboard. So while we're creating a report or dashboard, it will stays in the Power BI. So why we want to distribute a report to a Power BI service? So distribution is nothing but where you can everybody access your report and dashboard, and that access is to not to everyone, especially the person who are in your organization. So if you are building a report for sales team, and but in that case the executive team should also see the report, right? So in that case you can share the report along the organization. So basically Workspaces is used to share and collaborate the report and dashboards. Yeah, let's see how to create a workspace first. So for that, I'm going to Power BI service. So if you are not aware of about the service, there are many videos in YouTube for free. You can get what is a gist of what is a Power BI service, and you can come back to this video. So I have created some workspace, and I have uploaded some of my dashboards. So now let's see how to create a workspace. So here you can go to the workspace in the left ribbon, and you can say new workspace, and after that you will see something like name. So what is the name should be for the workspace? So I'll for now I will keep my name, and you can add the description. If you are creating this dashboard for a sales team, you can keep the description as this is for sales team, and they can access this like that. And you can say the domain as well. So here no domains were created yet. So, and yeah, and you can add the image to your workspace. So it will be shown in the top left corner, and you can manage the contact list. So if there is any issue in the workspace, so it will send the message to the owner of the workspace. So basically these are the things here. And if you have a small schematic model, and you can click the small schematic model storage format, and if you have a large model, you can click large schematic model. So this is how you create an app. If you apply it will create an app. So let create a workspace. Let me show an example. So now I have created a workspace. So where you can see that workspace, you go to the workspace, and you can see, yeah, there is all these two are already I have created one, and this is our new workspace. So if you create workspace, it will be like something like this, and you can add your schematic model, your dashboard, and your reports, everything. So this is how you create workspace. It is very simple and self-explanatory. And assign workspace roles. Okay, so how to assign workspace role? Let's see. So in your workspace, you in the top right corner you have manage access. You click that and you can see add people or organizational groups or individual person within the workspace. So you can add the email or anything, any group you can add. So for now in this workspace, it is a trial workspace, right? So I don't have any members or any groups in it. And if you have some, you should enter the email address of the person, and you can click whether the so you can click whether he should be a admin, member, contributor, or viewer. So there are 4 user roles. So let's. This is how you assign the workspace roles. So there are 4 user roles, and let's see them in detail. So what are the 4 workspace roles? So admin is the most powerful workspace role in the workspace. So he can do whatever he want. He can delete, update, remove people and include the people. Even he can include another admin too. And next is member. Member can add or add members or with lower permission. So if he is a member, he can add a contributor or viewer. He cannot add a member or an admin. Okay, so he can publish and change the permission for app. And what is contributor? Contributor can contribute to the report. He can create, edit, delete, and content such things in the workspace. And he can also publish the report in the workspace. So viewer is, as the name says, he can only view the model and the reports in the dashboard in the workspace. So this is roles in Power BI, and also the powers of the roles we have seen now. So let's see how to create and configure an app. So for create and configure an app, you need to have some content in your workspace. As this is our new workspace, I don't have any content in this workspace, but I have another workspace that I have uploaded already some of contents. So for this purpose, I am going to that workspace. So I'm going to management workspace. So I have some of the content here, right? So how to create an app? In the right corner here you will see then create an app. Instead of I'm saying update because I've already created an app. So for you it will be like a create an app. You can go to that. Yeah, you have to click create an app. You can enter the app name you want to. So what is the reason behind creating app is, in an organization you cannot share everyone, right? You cannot share the link to everyone to see my report. So if you create an app, it will and assign the audience for it, it will automatically notify them. So you can there are three steps. First is setup. You can put the app name and description. You can enter the app logo and contact information. So for this case, I am the owner of the workspace, so let it be. And advanced settings. In advanced settings, you can view these options, and you can, if your audience needs some support, you can enter the link here to support your audience. And this is the first setup, and the second one is the content. So in my case, I want to add this content. So I have already created this website and this data set, dashboard and report. So if I want to add something, I can go to my website workspace and add this. So I have added this. So for this, I'm keeping this as it is. And if you want to change the order, you can go to change the order, and now the data flow is first, and I'm going to the third option. So the second option is basically adding the content to the app, and the third option is, so I said, right, I have two team, one is sales team and another one is executive team. So for sales team, the report is enough. For executive team, I'll change this name. While you double click this or right click this, you can change this. So for executive view, in sales view, I can view only the data flow, and I cannot view the inspection dashboard because I have unchecked this eye icon, right? So for executive, there should be everything should be viewable. So if I don't want this, I can click and it will not show to the executive team. So for this, I want everything to be shown to the executive. So it is as it is. And the right here is edit audience. So if you want to grant access to the entire organization, you can click this, or you want to grant access to specific user groups, you can click this and enter the name of the name or email address of the person who is within the workspace. So advanced, it will share the data set to the audience who are in the app. And the second option is allow people to build content with the data set in the app audience. So the second option is it will allow the audience to create a report or dashboard based on your semantic model or the data set you have. So for this, I don't want to give this to, and this is how this is a three important and easy step to create an app. And you can click update app, and it will say the notification. It may take some 5 to 10 minutes, so you can click update. So after updated, it will give the link and it will show go to the app. Let's go to the app now. So when you go to the app, it will be showing like some blue color lines in the left and some of the our reports. And this is how the end user get the app, and they will access something like this. And you can go to the inspection data, and you can click to the management view. And if you click the management view, you can only see the data flow. But if you click executive view, it will show everything. So that is how we assign, right? So yeah, in executive you can see the inspection dashboard. By the way, this dashboard is created by me in the Maven Analytics course. So credits to Maven Analytics. Yeah, this is how you create and publish an app. So let's see what is the next part. Update workspace. So update workspace is nothing but, let's go to our workspace. Go back. So here you will have an update app. You can go to that, and if you want to update something, that is changing the alignment or changing the audience type, and you can delete some of the audience and you can include some of the audience, you can do by updating the app. And that is simple. And yeah, that's it for distribute a report or dashboard. So this is how you distribute a report or dashboard within the organization. So let's see the next topic. So what is monitor usage and performance? So monitor usage performance is nothing but something like a dashboard. It will tell the report about your usage metrics of your dashboard or report. So it will help to improve the targeted areas, and it will help to measure the impact how your data is revealing to the people. And how to configure view usage metrics. So let's see. So let's move ahead to the our workspace. And if you want to see this is a report, right? And if you want to see this usage metrics, you can click the three dots here, and you can go to let's zoom, and you can go to view usage metric reports. Go to that, and it will take some time if you are clicking for the first time. And it will show something like a dashboard. So in new usage metrics, it will show how many times the report have been opened, and a report pages view. So how many times it has been viewed, and unique views. So how many unique person viewed this report, and a report opening trend. So in the right hand side, you can see the platform. Through powerbi.com, it is 100% accessed, and the distribution is, so it is 25% of app and 75% of workspace. And here you can see who are the users this. So I am the only user for this case. I have opened this report for 16th time, and total page views is 19 times. So pages, so here we have one pages only, so it is 100% one pages and 19 views for this report. And we can see the report viewers and the report open requesters. Yeah, and also we can see the report performance. So if you have multiple user within workspaces, it will show how they are using the report and how many times they are opening the reports and all. So typical opening seconds is 2 seconds, and opening time trend is 200%. And you can filter the dates and see also. So that is one of the way too. And yeah, for now I don't want this. So here you can see daily performance. So this is our daily performance. And so what is the date today? So October 30th, I have used a lot of time for explaining, or I don't know for what reason I have used, but I have used. And after that, I have not opened this report. 7-day performance. So let's see the 7-day performance also. Yes, I have used it in October 30th, 2024. And while coming to the browser, I have used this fully through the Chrome, and consumption is Power BI Web, and countries. So I am using this from India, so it is showing the India. And you can also see the report list. So there are some of the key performance indicator, and so there are 2 reports, I guess, and this is one of the report and this is another report. So this is the graph that telling that how many times I have opened these both reports, and these are some of the common things we have seen before. And yeah, and FAQ is the commonly frequently asked question in the usage metric report. You can go through and read it if you want. And yeah, this is the basic overview of this user metric reports. That's it I have for this video. And if you are an expert watching my videos and finding any mistakes or misunderstanding, please let me know in the comment section. I'm open to learn from everyone. Thank you.